What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. So today I will be showing you guys the products that I use to keep my teeth nice and clean. I always get a lot of compliments. I'm always getting asked like, hey Sarn Fullwood, how do you keep your teeth clean? Or hey Sarn Fullwood, what toothbrush do you use? Or hey Sarn Fullwood, what kind of products are you using? And I be like kind of caught off guard because in my head I'm thinking like, you really want to know how I keep my teeth clean? Like, I just think it was so like simple to answer. I mean, because what do y'all do to keep y'all teeth clean? Like, please let me know. But if y'all are interested, then please make sure you subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click on that notification bell so every time I upload a video, you guys will be notified. So without further ado, I'll go ahead and show you guys how I get started with keeping my teeth nice and clean. So of course I use Sensodyne. I use Sensodyne for sensitive teeth. My teeth are not sensitive, but I tend to drink coffee a lot. I wouldn't say I drink coffee every day. Either I drink coffee or I switch it up and drink hot tea. But I use Sensodyne for sensitive teeth. You can get this from Family Dollar, Walgreens, Walmart, whatever. I think it's only like $3.99. This is what me and my husband both use, Sensodyne, and it's toothpaste for sensitive teeth and cavity prevention. It also is whitening, repair, and protection. I never really noticed the reading on this tube where it says whitening repair. I just never did. I seen that it was Sensodyne and it was sensitive. It's for sensitive teeth. And again, my teeth is not sensitive, but I drink coffee a lot. And sometimes when I drink, well, I guess I can say that my teeth are sensitive because when I do drink coffee, sometimes my teeth hurt, but they don't hurt to an extent to where I feel like I can or need to be using this Sensodyne, if that makes sense. But this is the toothpaste. But yes, this is the toothpaste that we use. And then I also use this Miracle Teeth Whitener. It's activated coconut charcoal powder. Now I have had this since 2019. I'm gonna show y'all. 2019. I do not use this every day. I got it from off of Amazon. And as you can see, look how much I have left. I have just enough left to show you guys how I am going to brush my teeth this morning, or depending on what time it is y'all looking at this video. Either way, I still need to brush my teeth today because I'm getting ready for work, okay? But I have used this since 2019. I'm almost out, and I don't use this every day. I use this like once a week, once every 2 weeks, and as you can see, my teeth are white. But when I start brushing them, you can notice, you'll see the difference. And I'm not saying that you should use this every day. You definitely don't need to use this every day. I use it once a week, once every 2 weeks. So if you want to see some improvements, then make sure you get this Miracle Teeth Whitener from Amazon. I will leave it in the description box below. And then on the back of this can, there is directions on how you can use it. Again, I use it once a week, once every 2 weeks. Sometimes I go a whole month without even using it because my teeth are just, I don't think that my teeth need it. But again, you will definitely see improvements and you will see a difference in the color of your teeth once you start using this. Okay, and one thing that I will say is depending on how often you use it, so like if you use this every day, your gums are going to start hurting, and I think it's because of the charcoal that is in the ingredients in this product. So you might want to be careful because I have noticed that when I first initially bought this product or purchased this product, I used it like I was using it every day, and then my gums started hurting at the top. So be careful on how often you use this. And again, if you notice that your gums are irritated, then just quit using it and then just take a break again once a week, once every 2 to 3 weeks, or even maybe once a month. Okay, so those were the two products that I used, the Sensodyne toothpaste and the charcoal powder that I purchased from Amazon. And these are the two toothbrushes that I use. So I use this toothbrush first with the charcoal. I run my toothbrush under water, and then I dip it in the charcoal, and then I brush my teeth. And then after I finish brushing my teeth with the charcoal, I then take my soft bristle brush. This is not a medium or a hard toothbrush. It is a soft toothbrush. And then I go behind after I finish using the charcoal with this toothbrush, and then I go behind with the Sensodyne and I brush my teeth just to clean it up because I be having like some of the black stuff on it. So I just clean it up. And I purchased this from like Family Dollar, Walmart, something like that. And I got this one from Amazon, and I will leave that in the description box as well. So when people ask me what I use on my teeth, I just use the Sensodyne, the charcoal, and I use these two toothbrushes. And so one day, one of the NCOs at my job was just like, I know you use a spin brush. I know you, because I just know your teeth ain't that white from just using your toothbrush. And I was just like, It actually is. And then I was just like, you know what, I do use a charcoal. And then the person or my coworker was just like, I knew it. I knew you was using something else other than a toothbrush. And I'm just like, toothpaste? But I'm gonna go ahead and get started and show you guys how I brush my teeth with charcoal. Okay, so now I'm gonna go ahead and dab in my toothbrush with some water. I am in my bathroom, so y'all heard that. And then I just dip my toothbrush in the charcoal. I'm almost out, so, but as you can see, like that. And then I turn it on. When you have this toothbrush in your mouth, make sure you keep your mouth closed, because if not, it's gonna splatter all over the place. I learned that when I first used it. I was like brushing with my mouth wide open, and it just was not, like, it was doing the most, okay? So make sure when you're brushing your teeth, after you put this charcoal on your toothbrush, you keep your mouth closed. And then you spit, because of course, you know you have to spit when you're brushing your teeth. But see, you can see the difference already. And that is pretty much it. I just brush as much, as I can. Brush your teeth like you're brushing your teeth with a regular toothbrush without charcoal, but just toothpaste. So just brush your teeth like as you would normally. And one thing I forgot to mention is this toothbrush comes with like a little battery charger. So if I leave this item in the description box, you'll know like, oh yeah, it did come with a charger, so that must be the one that she's using. I forgot to mention that. But then, as you can see, my teeth have like little black stuff on it, and my tongue is black, and so yeah, I have to basically clean up my teeth with the toothpaste. So that's why I always use the Sensodyne after and not before, because I have to clean up my teeth and I also have to scrub my tongue. So that's pretty much it. You use the charcoal and then you use the Sensodyne. You brush your teeth as you normally would, and then you go about your day. And that is how I get my teeth clean, y'all. And that's pretty much it. I will continue getting ready for work. But as you can see, my teeth are nice and white. So if you want to decide to start using the same exact products, again, it's the charcoal and the Sensodyne, and I have a soft bristle brush, and then I have the spin brush. So if you see any improvements, or if you are liking the products, then please make sure you leave them in the comment section below. But if you think these products in this video was a waste of time because you don't see any improvements, you can also leave that below as well. Let me know how y'all do. This is my teeth. They are nice and white. Honestly, y'all, I was thinking about getting veneers, but I don't know. Let me know if y'all think I should get veneers or not. But this is pretty much it for this video. This is Amelia Talks. Let's talk about it. Peace out, y'all.